Hey friends, today is a really special day because I finally got to move my office into the she shed, and it feels like the best birthday gift ever. Thank you to my wonderful husband Tom. I feel so loved. If you've been following along on this journey, then you know this space has been a labor of love, and while it's not completely finished yet, it's finally functional, and that means everything. Today we're installing the air conditioner, adding a ceiling fan, and seeing where we buried the electrical cables. I'll also share a few sweet birthday moments along the way. I'm Janet. Welcome to the Cleveland Cottage, where vintage decor, thrifted finds, and curated cottage charm come together to create warm and inviting spaces. I'm so happy you're here, so let's get started. Before we could enjoy any of the comfort inside the shed, we had to get power out here. So I wanted to show you the trench where we buried the electrical cables. It may not be the prettiest part of the project, but it's definitely one of the most important. That's what makes everything else possible, from lighting to air conditioning to actually working out here. Of course, we paid a crew to dig the trench because Tom and I didn't want to dig our own graves. Uni and his crew did a great job and even laid the grass back like there was never a hole. It was well worth the time and money for us. Now let's talk about comfort, because Tennessee heat is no joke. We installed the air conditioner, and let me tell you, this made an immediate difference. It's one of those upgrades that takes the shed from cute idea to actually usable space. First, Tom had to cut a hole on the inside wall for the air conditioner, which involved cutting the hole, removing the insulation and the shiplap. Then he drilled holes in the four corners so he could cut the remaining part of the wall from the outside. Then he needed to secure the inside for framing before installing the wall unit, which has heating and air. We didn't film the installation of the heating and air unit because Tom had to have our neighbor Bill help him hoist it up in the new framed hole, but you get the gist of how that goes. Once Tom's finished framing out the window, he'll install the second ceiling fan, and then I'll share how we celebrated my birthday and a few of the gifts that I received from Tom and my co-workers. It was such a great day and weekend. I definitely felt the love. The she shed is the best and biggest birthday present that I've ever received. Thank you, Tom. And to help keep the air moving, we added a second ceiling fan near the front door to recirculate any escaping cool air in the summer and warm air in the winter. Not only is it practical, but it also adds a nice finished touch to the space. I love how it makes the shed feel more like a real room instead of, well, just a shed. After Tom got the ceiling fan installed, he noticed that the blades were barely clearing the rafters, so he'll probably go back later and add a pole to lower the fan to clear the rafters better. Having two ceiling fans really makes a big difference when it comes to circulating the air. The air conditioner barely runs because the moving air keeps the shed nice and comfortable. My sweet co-workers and friends, Amanda, Angela, and Amanda's daughter, Mary Ellen, paid me a surprise visit and brought by this lovely hydrangea, Panera gift card, balloons, and lovely birthday cards. I also got a beautiful gift card and card from my mother and father-in-law, so thank you. I also received another surprise visit from our wonderful neighbors and friends, Miss Pat and Sister Sherry. They brought me a lovely Easter basket filled with a ton of goodies, including chocolate rabbits that I shared with Tom, a sweet towel with a bee, prayer cards, napkins, and other snacks and birthday cards. My sweet work team and friends, April, Dana, Emily, and Trish, brought me these beautiful paintings and gave me a gift card and a lovely card to match. I love our work team, but I love our friendship so much more. Thank you. Tom bought me this beautiful pink azalea bush and moved my computers and office equipment into the she shed. We also went bowling. I think he let me beat him because he always beats me, but I'll take it. It was a wonderful day with the people I love most. Thank you all to my sweet friends, neighbors, co-workers, and most of all Tom for making my day, week, and month so special. I love you all, and may God bless you for your kindness and generosity. I love you. And here's what I got moved in so far. I have my tripods. This one's for my phone, and this one's for my camera. As I told you in a previous video, we've got to refinish my grandfather's buffet table, and I'm still deciding on the color. I've got my books over here to go in the bookshelves, and Tom picked up a new television for me, and the wall mount should be coming in Sunday. I moved my basket out here from my closet to hold my lighting and everything, and I think I'll move another basket under here and put that, and then use this basket for cozy blankets and pillows. And we've got my desk area temporarily set up, but I still have to paint the bookshelves, and I don't want to put anything up until we've got those painted, and then we'll get the desk area cleaned up. I have another monitor coming in as well. Right now I'm using my laptop to do the script and this monitor to edit the video. And there's my little mini chandelier, and that's the gimbal, and I have my lighting stored up there, but I think Tom's going to build a shelf down here, and we're going to store the lighting there. And here's the air conditioning, and it's been quite helpful so far because it got really hot in here the other day. And here's the new ceiling fan installed. But I think we're going to lower it a little bit because it's really close to the ceiling. And so Tom is talking about putting a pole on it and lowering it. So here's where we are, and once we get the bookshelves painted, the buffet table painted, we'll be buying the sofa and a rug to go in this area, because when I was doing voiceover last night, it was really echoey in here, and so what I have to do, put a rug down so we can soundproof it a little bit. But I hope you liked everything. I'm loving it, and I can't wait to get the sofa so I can take a nap. Welcome to the She Shed. We're finally here, and I want to thank Tom so much for making my dream come true. This is just absolutely beautiful and gorgeous, and I feel so very loved. Welcome to the She Shed. Tom finally got it finished, and we're partially moved in. I'm so very happy and thankful. Thank you, Tom. I love you very much. This is one of the best birthday gifts I've ever received, and I know you spent a lot of time and hard work on it for me. So thank you. So today's the first day that we're filming in the she shed. I'm not sure how this is going to sound. Like I said when we were doing the walkthrough, it's a little echoey, but I think once we get the rug down and everything, that it'll be okay. I'm truly blessed and thankful for Tom for making this beautiful dream of mine come true. I just love the ceiling fans, the lights, the shiplap. I just love everything about it, and I'm so very thankful and feel very loved. And it was a great birthday weekend, and I enjoyed spending it with my sweetie. I'll leave you with a quick photo of how we celebrated, and we went bowling, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you next time. Bye.